Hello friends, my name is Anil Dhanwani. Welcome to my channel Vision Changers AKD. Today I'm going to speak on a very important subject called money. Money is life, money is so much. It's a very interesting subject. Watch it till the end. Thank you. Stay tuned. Friends, I have a small request. I'm making this video on money. Please kindly don't judge me as to why I'm professing on money and why I haven't made it that big. I made it quite big considering from where I've started my life. I'm quite happy, quite satisfied. Once a Jewish rabbi told me, you know who's the richest man on the earth? He's the one who is happy with what he has and is very grateful. In that sense, I'm the richest, definitely. But there are so many technologies which I have experienced in my life, and that's what I want to share it with you. I want to share everything of my life before it's too late for me. Before I say the final goodbye, I'll share everything. So these are certain technologies and experiences that I want to share with you guys. They are for real. For today, we'll confine it to only this much, but there are so many kind of remedies and many kind of technologies which will enable you to make more and more money and get wealthier in true sense. I thank you for that. There are various means by which a person earns money, makes money, attracts money. A person could inherit money, retain and lose it. Basically, every single person has a money blueprint up over here, and depending upon that, he becomes rich. There are certain people who are born poor, but then they grow very rich in life. There are certain people who are born rich, who maintain rich and keep growing even more richer. There are certain people who are born middle class and they remain middle class forever. There are certain people who are born rich, but then they gradually become poor and very poor. This all depends upon mental blueprints of money. The phenomena called wealth is, there are different kinds of wealth. There are basically 7 kinds. One is wealth of health, wealth of love, wealth of relationships, wealth of money, money income, active and passive, wealth of properties, wealth of good name and fame, wealth of education, and then wealth of spiritual enlightenment. From this, if a couple of things are missing, a man is not whole and complete, out of which money plays a very important part in life. Money is very important. There are ways and ways to make money. I'm going to elaborate on several types of money-making ways. One attracts money. There are fantastic, lovely books which I would want to share with you. The basic ones are Rich Dad Poor Dad series by T. Robert Kiyosaki. He explains very nicely about the mental blueprint. I would suggest you all his books. I'll make out a chart. You could take a screenshot. Then there's another fantastic book on money. It's by T. Harv Eker, Mind of a Millionaire. And a very famous legendary book called Richest Man of Babylon by George Clayton. There are many other books. Basically, you have to understand what money blueprint is. The classic examples are our Bill Gates. He was born middle class. See from where he rose to where he is today, and remaining there. Warren Buffett, and the best example is our legendary Mr. Trump. He has an excellent money blueprint. 30 years ago, in Oprah Winfrey's interview, he had said that he would be a president. When she asked him, would he win the elections, he said, I'm not born to lose. I will be a president, and he is. He went bankrupt twice in his life, and each time he shot up, bounced back more than what he was earlier because of his mental blueprint. There are many people who you see in life, even if they get a lottery or they win something very big in a casino, millions of dollars, and if they don't have a good mental blueprint, they go back to where they were, you know. So it's very important to know this. And there are various technologies. Money is a very big subject. I will keep on bringing this to you in different parts, otherwise the videos get too very long. And there are technologies of how to enhance your money blueprint. There are other ways how to attract money. There are other ways how you really earn money and multiply your money. So I'll bring those in my next videos. I hope you like this insight in today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe for my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And share it with your friends. Give me a like if you liked it. Thank you for watching. God bless. Ciao.